Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 22nd of September. And first of all, national news. Live streaming of Supreme Court Constitution Bench hearings from next week. Mumbai's iconic Ganesh festival organizers fined 3,66,000 for potholes. US welcomed PM Modi, telling Putin now is not an era of war. Comedian Raju Srivastav died on Wednesday in Delhi over a month after he was hospitalized at AIIMS. PM Modi, Amit Shah, and politicians across the country paid tribute to comedian Raju Srivastav. India expected to be $25 trillion economy in 25 years, banker KV Kamath. The Indian economy currently is the fifth largest in the world, now only behind the US, China, Japan, and Germany. Mukesh Ambani's group looking to take over Sephora in India. India's richest Gautam Adani added 1,600 crore to his wealth per day. Restrictions to remain on SpiceJet as abundant caution. Regulator set. Space Agency ISRO successfully tested hybrid motor to power future rockets. Hemant Soren's aide control illegal mining in his constituency, probe agency. And now some international news. Ukraine accused Russia of shelling nuclear plant again. 230 pilot whales stranded in Australia, about half feared dead. American Airlines to launch premium suites with privacy doors in 2024. Qantas stopped offering veg meal on short duration flights, travelers slam move. Russia mobilization, sign of weakness. US Ukraine ambassador said. Swift sale of flight tickets out of Russia after Putin's mobilization call. And Amazon Alexa saved family of 6 in Maryland, alerts them to house fire. Honda overpaid staff bonuses, now asking for full refund, a report said. And now some sports news. Anil Khanna, quitted as IOA acting president, takes dig at IOAC. Ballon d'Or added Socrates Award for players who tackle social issues. Roger Federer eyes dream pairing with Rafael Nadal at Lever Cup for farewell match. Tom Moody relinquished his post as the director of cricket with Sri Lanka. And now news related to business. Nifty Sensex fall to end, 2-day rally on market jitters ahead of Fed. RBI lifts prompt corrective action restrictions on Central Bank of India. Asian Development Bank cuts India's GDP forecast for 2022-23 to 7%. For Indian banks, bad loans to fall to decade low by March 2024. Diesel gensets ban in NCR, industry seeks more time to comply. Mineral production rose 6.1% in April to July period. And SpiceJet shared slide 4% as 80 pilots sent on leave without pay. Sri Lanka inflation rate surged to 70.2% in August. India to offer more fiscal support under chip production incentive scheme. And now news related to science. NASA Roscosmos astronauts set to blast off for ISS on Soyuz rocket amid tensions over Ukraine conflict. SpaceX to seek Iran sanctions exemption to bring Starlink satellite internet connectivity, Elon Musk said. Drumming woodpeckers use similar brain regions as songbirds. Protein restrictions may be useful in reducing obesity, diabetes, a study said. ISRO successfully tests hybrid motor aiming new propulsion system for rockets. James Webb Space Telescope captured clearest view of Neptune's rings in decades. Ahead of crash with asteroid, NASA's DART captured image of Jupiter and 4 moons. View Jupiter's closest approach to the Earth in 59 years on September 26. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.